Today we will solve some questions of exercise 60. Open your books and open the exercise 60. Look at the question number 7. It says simplify. 27th question is 3x plus 4, 2x minus 3 plus 5x minus 4 x plus 2. Now you will be thinking कि इसको कैसे solve करना है. So if you look at only this part of the question, isn't it a binomial multiplying with binomial? यहाँ पर भी दो टर्म है, यहाँ पर भी दो टर्म है. A binomial is multiplying with binomial. So you have solved this type of question earlier, right? So solve it like that. Now look at this part. Okay, now if I hide this part, look at this part. Here a binomial is multiplying with binomial. So ये भी binomial into binomial है. Solve it like that only. So here, if you look at this part first, here this 3x plus 4 is multiplying with 2x minus 3. And इसको हमने कैसे solve किया था? ये 3x multiply में है इस bracket के साथ. Okay, और ये 4 भी multiply में है इस वाले term के साथ. Right? और बीच में sign क्या आएगा? ये वाला. अभी हम इस term को ऐसे ही लिख रहे हैं. We will not solve it. Now see, when you multiply, this will be 6x square minus 9x plus 4 into plus 2x, it will be 8x. 4 into 3, 12 and plus minus minus. And अभी हमने इस वाली साइड की टर्म को टच नहीं किया है. Now we have like terms together, solve it. It is x minus 12. Now see, this term is in multiplication with this term. What does it mean? ये 5x इसके साथ multiply में है और 4 भी multiply में है. So we'll write it like this. 5x x plus 2 4x plus 2. और इन दोनों के बीच में साइन किसका था? माइनस का. So we will put minus sign here. Now इस टर्म को तो हम ऐसे ही अभी लिखेंगे because it is solved. Now multiply this. 5x into x, it is 5x square. और साइन किसका आएगा? प्लस 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 का. मल्टीप्लाई 5x with 2, it is 10x and साइन किसका आएगा? प्लस प्लस प्लस. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई दिस 4 with x, it will be 4x और साइन किसका आएगा? माइनस प्लस माइनस, it is minus 8. Now we have again like terms. Plus minus minus, it will be plus 6x. Now look, x square x and constant. So write the like terms together again. Now plus plus plus, it is 11x square plus minus minus plus 5x minus minus plus 20, and this is the answer, because here you cannot, after this you cannot solve further, right? These are your steps. Now let's move on to the question number 30. Question number 8 and 28 and question 29 are similar. You can solve them like this. Now move on to the question number. Even question number 30 is same. We will solve question number 31. It is 3x square plus 5x minus 7 x minus 1 minus x square minus 2x plus 3 x plus 4. Now class, again look, if you only look at this part, isn't here a monomial, a binomial is multiplying a polynomial, right? You have done this type of question earlier. Here a binomial is multiplying with a polynomial and इनके बीच में माइनस का साइन है. So first we will multiply this binomial with this polynomial. कैसे solve करते थे? Now see, this x is in multiplication with this whole term. So we can write x 3x square plus 5x minus 7. And this minus 1 is in multiplication with this whole term. Okay? अभी हम इसको ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, इसको अभी solve नहीं करेंगे. So we will write it as it is. Now see, x into 3x square, it is 3x cube और साइन किसका आएगा, इट इज़ प्लस प्लस प्लस, सो साइन किसका आएगा, प्लस का. नाउ x इंटू 5x इट इज़ 5x स्क्वायर, साइन किसका आएगा, प्लस प्लस प्लस. x इंटू 7x और साइन किसका आएगा, इट इज़ प्लस, इट इज़ माइनस प्लस माइनस माइनस. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. 1 इंटू 3x स्क्वायर इट इज़ 3x स्क्वायर, प्लस माइनस माइनस. 1 इंटू 5x, बट साइन इज प्लस माइनस माइनस. And 1 into 7 and minus plus. We have solved this part, that means this part. Now we will solve this part, but before we have the like terms together, so solve them. इतना पार्ट हम अभी ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. Now this 3x square 5 minus 3 plus 3 5x square minus 3x square, so it will be 2x square. Minus plus, so it will be 12x plus 7, right? अभी भी हमारे पास ये टर्म बचा है. Write it. Now if you see in this part, if you see this x plus 4 is in multiplication with this term, so we can write it like this. This x is in multiplication with inside the bracket, okay, keep it inside the bracket. X is in multiplication with x square minus 2x plus 3, and this plus 4 is in multiplication with x square minus 2x plus 3. Now this term we will write as it is, क्योंकि ये आगे सॉल्व होगा नहीं. Here if you see inside the bracket, x into x square x cube plus plus plus, x into 2x square minus plus 3x plus 4x square minus 8x plus 12. We have the like terms here, so write them together. Abhi we are not removing the bracket. X cube minus plus minus, it will be 2x square minus 5x plus 12. Now open this bracket. If you open this bracket, you will find 3x square plus 2x cube, x cube 2x square plus 12x plus 7. Now if you remove this, we have to remove this bracket, so minus plus minus cube. Now plus minus, so minus 2x square, minus plus, so plus 5x and minus 12. Now solve it further. When you solve it further, write the like terms together. We have written the like terms together and solve them. This is the answer. Now class, your 6th chapter is complete. Do the question yourself and ask me if you are having any problem in any question.